Hello, my name's Milton Eisenberg, and I'm one of the senior attorneys at Dan Chapman Associates. If you've been injured in a truck wreck, you need to call us today because you need to talk to someone who specializes in truck wreck law. We have former insurance company lawyers like myself at Dan Chapman Associates, and on our team of lawyers that will help you understand the truck wreck dynamic. It's much different than a car wreck case. Why do I say that? Because truck wrecks not only deal with Georgia law and the rules of the road, like following too closely or failure to yield and things like that, but truck wreck cases also involve federal rules and regulations, such as the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act. It's probably something you never heard of, but it is crucial in a truck wreck case that you have a lawyer that understands the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Act and the regulations that apply to trucking companies, because most of the time we can find violations that these trucking companies have with the federal rules, and we can show that they did not take driver training or driver safety or vehicle safety into account, and a lot of times that led to the wreck. Under the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Regulations, trucking companies are supposed to have files on each driver and make sure that they have their proper DOT physical documented, their driving history documented. They're also supposed to keep detailed records and logs on where they've been, how many miles they've driven in a day, how many hours they've been driving, how much rest time they had. Quite often we see people who either make errors in this or intentionally defraud the system, and these facts can help prove further damages for our client. A lot of these trucking companies don't have electronic log books. That's a satellite system that documents where the truck is and where it's been and how many miles it's gone. It's not required by the federal government today. It's coming in the future, but it's not required as of today. So there are a lot of truckers that have log books that are the real set of log books that they get paid off of, and then they have a fake set of log books that they show to a DOT inspector or a police officer if they get pulled over. Why do they carry the fake log books? Because they want to drive more miles. Most truckers get paid by the mile. So if you're driving down the road and you're driving more miles in a day, you're getting paid more money. And so many times we find that truckers drive more miles than the law allows them to drive and take less breaks and have less sleep time than the law requires them to have. And so they're out there driving these huge vehicles on the roadway, sleep deprived, tired, don't have a full attention span, and they hurt people, and unfortunately sometimes they kill people. So if you've been injured by a trucking company or a truck driver and you want to have an experienced truck wreck lawyer help you on your case, give us a call at Dan Chapman, 678-242-7626. 678-242-7626. Our consultation is free, and there's no fees that you would pay us unless we win your case. Thank you.